Ladies and gentlemen, Nev from Nev's Tech Bits. Today we're doing a teardown of the Sony PS2 Multitap. 1 controller to 4 controller teardown. Let's open her up and see what she looks like. So the PS2 timeline actually kind of passed me by. I wasn't into it so much. But man, back in the day, when you had 4-way Bomberman, that was really something. Remember when the Nintendo 64 came out and it just automatically had 4 controllers? That really helped out with GoldenEye. I wonder if GoldenEye would have been as popular if it didn't have the 4 controllers. Probably, eh? I mean, everyone loves GoldenEye. Really though, who does not like GoldenEye? Okay, so I got all 3 Phillips. Now I gotta move on to Torx and hope I have the right size. Alright, so I found it. It is a T8. Oh, I love how it comes out so easily. Easily and beautifully. Foxconn. Those bastards. Well, folks, that's it. That's all. Thanks for watching.